the YouTube channel where you can discover the best AI tools to support your content creation. This is Cindy, and you are watching the AI Reviewer. And today, I will introduce an amazing tool that helps you create videos easily and quickly. Creating standout content that grabs attention and brings in views isn't always easy. You need to find the perfect niche, write an engaging script, film high-quality videos, gather B-roll footage, and edit it all together. It's a lot of work, but here's the good news. AI can simplify this process immensely. In today's video, I'll introduce you to an incredible text-to-video tool that will revolutionize your content creation journey. Imagine creating high-quality videos with just a few clicks. Sounds exciting? Let's jump right in. Meet VideoGen, your ultimate content creation ally. VideoGen is an AI-powered video generator perfect for creators who value their time. Picture this, creating content 10 times faster without compromising quality. Imagine the possibilities for your business, campaigns, community, team, and even your biggest dreams. To get started with VideoGen, open your browser and search for VideoGen. Click the first link to visit the VideoGen homepage. Now, let's create our first video together. Sign up. Click Get Started and set up your free account. Dashboard. Overview. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard with options on the left and a tutorial video in the center. Watch the tutorial to get a thorough understanding. Generate video. At the top of the tutorial video, you'll see Generate a video and add your brand. Click Generate a video. VideoGen offers 3 video creation options: AI prompt, create videos from a text prompt; website, convert any web page into a video; script, use your existing script to generate a video. Let's create a video using the AI prompt option. Describe your video in detail. For example, let's create a video about an explorer venturing into the rainforest and discovering a mysterious ancient temple. Enter this prompt, set the video duration to 2 minutes, and select the engaging writing style. Hit the Generate Script button and voila, our script is ready. Script review. Review and tweak the script as needed. Scene settings. Choose the pace of scene changes, fast, medium, or slow. We'll choose fast for this adventure story. Music selection. Explore nearly 1 million copyright-free stock music clips and select the best one. Voiceover. Choose from over 140 voice actors in more than 40 languages. Select the voice that suits your story. Captions. Add custom captions or select from preset templates. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button. VideoGen will take some time to process and generate your video. And now our video is ready. Click play to watch it again.
The rainforest is alive with the sounds of chirping birds and buzzing insects. The air is thick with humidity, making every breath feel heavy and labored. I push my way through the dense foliage, my machete slicing through the vines and branches that block my path. As I trudge deeper into the heart of the rainforest, I can't shake the feeling that I am being watched. The ancient trees loom overhead, their twisted roots snaking across the forest floor like serpents. I can't help but feel a sense of awe and reverence for this untamed wilderness. Suddenly, I stumble upon a clearing in the forest. Before me stands a massive stone structure, covered in moss and vines. It is unlike anything I have ever seen before, a testament to a civilization long forgotten. I approach the temple cautiously, my heart pounding in my chest. The air around me seems to hum with energy, as if the very stones themselves are alive. I reach out a trembling hand and touch the cold, rough surface of the temple wall. As I explore the temple further, I am struck by the intricate carvings and symbols that cover every inch of the stone. They tell a story of a people who worshiped the earth and the sky, who believed in the power of nature and the spirits that dwelled within it. I make my way deeper into the temple, my footsteps echoing off the walls. I come upon a chamber filled with treasures beyond my wildest dreams. Golden idols, precious jewels, and ancient artifacts that glint in the dim light. But as I reach out to touch one of the idols, a voice echoes through the chamber, sending shivers down my spine. It is a warning, a reminder that some secrets are best left undisturbed. I leave the temple with a sense of wonder and awe, knowing that I have stumbled upon something truly extraordinary. The rainforest holds many mysteries, and I am just beginning to scratch the surface of its ancient secrets.
The video looks good, but let's make it even better. Customize any scene if needed. Use the regenerate option to automatically change media. Upload your own media, or select from the vast stock library. Review all video clips and make necessary adjustments. Review the final video. When you're satisfied with your video, select the video resolution and hit the Download MP4 button. Note that downloading requires a subscription. That's all for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed learning about VideoGen and how it can transform your content creation process. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the AI Reviewer for more amazing tutorials. Don't forget to share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.